Unified Solar Solutions has given me some really good advice and essentially make a whole house more efficient and cheaper to run in the long run.
I think that the EV charger is a kind of a reflection of the solution that I got from Unified Solar, which was really, really pleasing. Because I think from the start, the guys who came in here were looking at what our total needs were. And we said, can you put in an EV charger for us as well? Fantastic. And they plotted a solution for us. And might I say that, the first time I met Rocco, I was immediately impressed by how professional he is. He looked at our system and he went beyond what we asked.
At the end of the day, you can have people that are transaction oriented. They come in, they do their job, they exit, and they take money from you. And then there are people that are relationship driven. People who go, if I do the right thing today, it's going to turn into another thing a year from now, 2 years from now, whatever it is. And those people are usually of a different character set. There's no doubt that Carly and Rocco are of the latter set, not the previous set. That's a relationship.
We were lucky enough to meet Carly and Rocco, and they have been quite amazing actually. The whole process of installing the battery, learning about what we needed, and getting it actually installed and up and running and making us money has been really seamless. So we're really happy with the whole process.
So by putting this whole electric system in our solar and batteries, we've now reduced not only our home power bills, but also our bills on petrol and running costs of a internal combustion car. So the Tesla behind me is costing me nothing to run, and I don't have any servicing to do on that at the moment at all.
Well, I'll be the first to admit that I don't know all the solar companies out there, and I think that I've been very, very fortunate looking for a solar solution for our home that we've come across Unified Solar. Definitely would recommend to people who are asking who would I go with Unified Solar again, any day.
If anyone's thinking about solar, I can't recommend Unified Solar enough, both personally and professionally. They've been great to deal with, and the outcomes have been amazing.
And I think at the end of the day, when you make a final decision, don't look solely at price, look at how you can work with these people over the long term.